we are. This episode is brought to you by the ones who brought this dinosaur into existence, and the ones who managed to give this one a chance. Dinosaurs Alive, available in IMAX. Originally created for exhibition in IMAX theaters. This dinosaur movie is a legend. An actual legendary movie.
Everyone knows that I'm the best dancer, but Pear is pretty good when he takes a dance enhancer. We dance anywhere we want.
Let's get drawing.
Please, 'cause it's the only way we know how to stay away from me. I hang out with Pear in the kitchen.
The name of the dinosaur we're drawing, well, alligator-related dinosaur we're drawing, we never really got to know it until now. This creature's name? Redondasaurus.
Orange Nyanya style. Nyanya style. Oh, orange Nyanya style. Nyanya style. Oh.
One of the first ever prehistoric alligators from the Late Triassic. Back when Phytosaurs ruled Earth. Back when Phytosaurus was around.
Crack your shell for a meal. Lose your face and half your peel. Hop
Here we go.
in a cannon with no seatbelt. Get put in a fire just to melt. Annoying ways to die.
You know this animal looks a lot like Chasmatosaur. I have the photo right now, but I don't know where I can put it.
Get cut by an axe.
Oh well. I'll show you after I'm done drawing this guy. After I finish it, I'll show you the picture.
Smashed and ground into coleslaw. Annoying ways to die. So many annoying ways to die. Annoying ways to die. So many annoying ways to die. Eat a bomb for a snack. Fly to work in a jetpack. Get your butt graded off isn't great. Get sliced and diced and slapped on a plate. Annoying ways to die. So many annoying ways to die. Annoying ways to die. So many annoying ways to die. Get squeezed into juice. Get bit in the head by a hungry moose. Mistake a blender for a fair ride.
I like the next song.
Do the brand new dance. Come on, see me prance. You wiggle when you giggle and you jiggle when you swiggle like there's ants in your pants. Do the brand new dance. Come on, see me prance. You wiggle when you giggle and you jiggle when you swiggle like there's ants in your pants. Throw your hands up. No hands, then do a double backflip naked stand. What am I talking about? You don't know?
There we go.
Try to keep up, cause I'm not gonna go slow. Keep it fresh, keep it clean, keep it super mean. Kick it to my buddy Gene, he's a naked jelly bean. I don't have clothes, I don't even have a nose. If you don't wiggle jiggle, I'ma bite up all your toes. Do the brand new dance. Come on, see me prance. You wiggle when you giggle.
Every day,
like there's ants in your pants.
when it first came out, I dreamt of having a copy of the DVD itself. And on my half birthday, after a party, I managed to get it in the mail.
understand what's going on. None of it makes sense. It's a nonsense song. Don't
I
make
just
sense,
really-
and I don't have time to explain the game.
I really like this-
Just slap some rhymes on your face, on your butt, on your step, on your peel. You gotta wiggle, jiggle if you're gonna
Sorry
keep
about
it real. It's a brand new dance.
Anyways,
Come on, see me
Alexa,
dance.
stop.
You jiggle when you...
Anyway, at first, after a half birthday party, I managed to get it in the mail. And, well, I got to see it once before the party started. And the second time was the next morning. One time we went to this fitness club, and I was still watching it. Dinosaurs, well, they were basically my life back when I was a kid. They still are. I've been trying to create a series and a book containing the dinos that I've encountered. And, well, basically this is about it. Now it's finally going to come true. Only this time I'm going to draw it all in on these my books. Well, I'm drawing these sketch pads and then adding them to my collection on the page itself. And now that I've drawn Redondasaurus on my page, I'm proud to include this guy onto my, well, series. This one goes out to everyone who has gone to Astro Gallery and the American Museum of Natural History. Everything I've drawn goes out to those who have encountered all of these amazing animals in the past. Until next time, farewell and good night.